this video with my eyebrows already covered using a glue stick. If you want to know how to do this, then you can find lots of videos here on YouTube of drag queens and special effects artists who show you how to do this much better than what I've done here. But I've glued them down so that they are flat to my face, and then moving to apply a white water activated face paint to my face. At this point, it doesn't really have to be neat or tidy. In fact, it helps with this look to be a little messy, but we can tidy things up slightly in a moment. Don't forget to bring the paint down your neck, and if you're not wearing a wig that's going to hide your ears, then I would also paint them too. Then, either using a beauty blender or some type of cosmetic sponge, I'm using it dry to help blend out the face paint a bit more and making sure there are no brush streaks in the face. Then I'm taking a blue water-activated face paint to draw the shapes that he has around his eyes. On one side, you want to draw a thick upwards arrow shape over your eyebrow. Then you want to draw a downward triangle shape underneath one eye, dragging the point downwards onto the cheeks slightly. It helps to have a reference picture nearby so you can check back every so often. Then you just want to draw two smaller triangles on the opposite eye, one pointing upwards over the brow and one pointing downwards underneath the eye. Taking a red water-activated face paint and painting a small clown nose, a similar shape to the one Joaquin Phoenix has in the reference picture I'm using. I'm then using the same brush and the same red paint to paint some very small eyebrows a little bit higher up than my natural brows. His brows seem to be very short and rounded, just like a pair of red slugs on his face. Again, with the same paint, I'm using it to draw a wide smile that takes up the majority of the face and covers the lips entirely. I'm using the highest part of my cupid's bow as a guideline to draw the upper line and extending it across the cheeks and curling it upwards near the points at the end. I'm then filling in this shape entirely with that red paint. Using some cobalt blue shadow and smudging this over the shapes I've painted to shade them very messily. This will help to deepen the shapes and also give them some definition. Then with a matte black eyeshadow, I'm using this to darken up the eyes and the shapes surrounding them by applying this on my eyelids and blending out the shadow with very little care about what it looks like. I'm also using the black shadow to just apply smudges all over my face to make this look a little bit more messy and grungy and less polished. And then finally, because I wasn't happy with the shade of red for the lips, I took a cool toned red lipstick and basically I applied it to my lips like a toddler, and then smudging the colour around using my finger.